Hello guys, today I will be making enchiladas. What you're going to do first is put your turkey into the skillet and let it cook and play with it. I don't know what the heck I was doing. Next, you're going to put your tortilla shells into a frying pan and let it cook. Turkey, tortilla shells, cheese, sauce. Now you're going to take your tortilla shell, place it on a cutting board, then put meat, then put cheese, and roll it like a burrito. Now you want to drizzle that sauce all over. Don't keep doing the same parts. Drizzle it all over that thing. Now you're just going to put it in the oven and voila, done.